Hi everyone. This is one of the Excel sheet which I shared before. Now what I have done is I've done updation for this where the earlier sheet was only doing for the stat row, but the latest one you can create load combination for ETABS as well. Uh, Generally, like for normal structures, we don't need to use the sheet because the load combination we can generate directly from stat or ETABS. So with the auto generation tools. But when it comes to mainly industrial structures and very complicated structures, so we'll have a lot of load factors which are um, different from the regular load factors. So it depends on the specification or client recommendation of the importance of the project. So in that case, this Excel sheet will be much easier. So it makes work a lot more easier, I can say. And yeah, I'll explain how what are the things need to be done here. So here you have a button which is hide and unhide. So yeah, if you press unhide, you can see here primary load cases. So you have to enter your primary load cases here, and you have to select whether it's seismic or WIP. So all the parameters will be available. So in this Excel, using this Excel sheet, you can do up to 30. You can for up to 30 primary load cases you can include here. So once all these parameters are entered, so that data will be transferred here horizontally. So after that, you can just hide this and make sure that you are not changing anything here. Uh, this parameter should be same, load com. So you have to start with load com and then just drag it down till wherever you have this combination. And this is a load case set, load case number. So that also you have to drag it down. So you can use this as per your requirement. And when it comes to here, wherever you have ID, this cell under this column, ID column, so you don't have to enter, yeah, you don't have to enter anything in the load factor. So you have to enter, let's say you have a seismic. So in that case, you can enter your load factor so that this relevant factor will appear. So we should not delete or enter anything from here. So once you've done it, so next thing is that you can just copy and paste to next cell. So which will be much easier to do. And we'll have a record of what we have done. So how we have done our load combination. So it serves as well like a base sheet for that. Yeah. So once you entered all your load combination, so then just you have to press here create load combination for STAD if you want to create it for STAD. For STAD, it takes a bit time because here parameters need to be added. As you can see here, we have to create the combination names. So adding all this, consolidating all this will take a bit of a time. Yeah. So once it is done, it will ask already data here. Do you want to replace? You have to click OK. So this is created now. See this we have to just copy and paste in STAD editor. So with that all your combination will be created and the two with the name. So you will have a clear title here. So what is the combination name and not only the number, the combination number, but along with the you just have to copy paste and run the analysis.